Hello folks, welcome back to the new video. In today's video, I'm going to share something great inside how you can create your GitHub Readme profile generator. I have collected 5 websites in which I will show you one by one. Let's jump into first website. Yeah, it is a GitHub profile Readme generator. I will provide the link of all five websites in the description section so you can easily go through it. As you can see, it's all formats and language. You can select what you have used till now and the front end development parts and back end mobile app development, AIML, database, data visualization, DevOps, back end as a service, framework, testing, software, and also you can also add your social accounts in that particular readme. And moving towards second websites. Yeah, you can just click on get started button and you can let me show you the demo. Yeah, just let me show how you can edit it. You can give a decision about your project, just like tech stack you have used till now. Like for demo, I will writing this HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Uh, this is a major subsection. You can edit by your own lessons, tags, batches. You can also show your GitHub profile skills, just like this. You can add your social links like LinkedIn, Twitter, my portfolio, and these are some how to install some another project into your local. Okay, now moving to the third website. Yeah, this is a very awesome and best website till now I have seen. So let's jump and dive into this. Yeah, you have just to insert your GitHub link. Okay, just like as you can see where you can insert your all data related to what stuff you have done till now. Like someone is working as a HD intern at Amazon, just like fine companies as you can see. Yeah, so next you can also it can show your stats. You can also include your private commits. Yeah, you can also change the theme also. Yeah, this can be very beautiful. Just like let me show you something demo radical. Yeah, Dracula. Yeah, so now moving to the fourth website. This is more awesome than previous one. Let me show you how. So as you can also have little bit knowledge of webs, so you can edit by your own how you can center that particular image through a div. Like just assume that you have div and you name a class as a container, and just you can write one single, not single, I mean two words, just like a div align center. So content will be in the center. So there is a three templates. Let me show you one by one. This is first one. Yeah, second one is really awesome. Snake contribution. Snake is eating your contribution SVG, as you can see in my preview section. So this is also a cool template. Now moving to the third template. Yeah, similar like previous one. Yeah, moving to the fifth website. Yeah, and these are cool stuffs I can share with you guys. Please share as you have already know that you can share with your friends, anyone else who want to excel and in their making a profile better for their future also, and they also get paid by with the help of the open source contribution, and they can also make very good contribution that particular project, which is OSS, means open source software. So let me go through all the section of this particular website. So you can just add your skill set, and you can also share your GitHub stats. You can provide your good code pan hash node where you can upload your blogs related JavaScripts, threading, multi-thread, Stack Overflow. You can also insert your LinkedIn, or it's all social media account. And moving to the right section, I can show you that this is a section for my skill set where you have front end, back end, DevOps. In front end, you can just like a demo. I'm showing that this is a React, HTML, CSS, and backend C++, TypeScript, MongoDB, Node.js, Python, Git, and a DevOps section, Google Cloud, and Docker, Linux. Yeah, it's all for today section. So, guys, please share this as you can to your friends. So, this all for today video. So, please, I provide all link of 5 website in the description section. You can go and click and just make your some great GitHub profile. So as we can know. Okay, bye. See you in the next video. That's all for today video. I'm wrapping up. Okay, bye.
तो ऐसे ही बैठ के